Hello, and warm greetings to all of you, my friends. I am your host and your friend Vedehi, and I welcome you all to our channel, Vedant Bhakti Astro, where we explore the richness of our culture, traditions, and ancient wisdom. Friends, at some point in your homes, there must have been an auspicious occasion like a wedding, housewarming, or religious ritual. During such times, you must have heard the term Shubh Muhurat, that is, auspicious time. But have you ever wondered what this Shubh Muhurat truly is, its purpose, and its necessity? So today, let's understand this concept and explore the science behind it. Let's begin with a simple example. As you all know, at 5 to 6 am, during sunrise, the sun's energy and warmth are at different level from what they are at a 12 to 1 pm in the afternoon. Therefore, if you want to practice yoga or meditation, the energy during sunrise is beneficial for you. Likewise, if you want to dry clothes on the terrace, the afternoon energy will be more useful. This means that although the sun is the same, the energy we receive from it changes with time, affecting our tasks and their outcomes. Similarly, just as the sun's energy impacts us, other celestial bodies and heavenly objects continuously exert their energy and magnetic influences on Earth, affecting our lives and environment. Another simple example is the tides in the ocean. During a full moon, known as Purnima, tides are at their peak. This shows how the moon's energy, gravitational pull, and magnetic field affects life on Earth. It becomes evident that celestial bodies constantly changing position in the universe, continuously impacting us, influencing our minds, behavior, and working capacities. Different tasks require specific mental states and energy levels. For instance, the energy and the mindset to read a book would not suit in a wrestling match or engaging in a gym workout. Similarly, when undertaking a special task with long-term effects on life, the celestial energies and magnetic influences should be the most conducive at that specific time. This specific period is what astrology refers to as Muhurat. In simple terms, our Vedic astrology is a comprehensive study of planetary energies and their positive application in human life. Based on this, the concept of Muhurat Shastra, that is, science of auspicious timings, emerged. Shubh Muhurat refers to the time during which celestial bodies and constellations align positively to yield favorable outcomes, thereby increasing the likelihood of success of any task or occasion initiated during that period. Muhurat Shastra involves determining specific dates and time for auspicious events and rituals. Although some may not believe in this deeply, but when it comes to significant events like weddings or housewarmings, people often seek expert guidance to calculate auspicious timings and Shubh Lagna, that is, auspicious alignments. The ancient text, Purukal Amrit, is entirely based on nakshatras, known as constellations, lagnas, known as ascendant, and Shubh Muhurat. These scriptures provide detailed calculation and explanation of auspicious timings for ceremonies like weddings, haircut, housewarming, ear piercing, thread ceremonies, conceptual rituals, and more. Additionally, Smriti literature also offers perspective on auspicious and inauspicious Muhurats and Lagnas. Isn't it fascinating to understand these ancient insights? Don't you feel proud of our forefathers' immense wisdom and knowledge? I certainly feel a deep sense of pride in our Vedic culture and its glorious scientific traditions. Do you feel the same about our heritage? You may share your thoughts in the comment section. I want to appeal through this channel that we aim to revive the values of Sanatan Dharma and share the wisdom of our ancient traditions. A lot of efforts and study goes into bringing this knowledge to you. So, if you found this video enlightening, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such fascinating content. Share this video with your friends and family. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep celebrating the beauty of our culture. Namaste.